Hi, Wendy from Wenway Creations. Just a quick video. I'm making these belly bands with pockets on them. I was watching Julie from Camellia Craft Designs, and she was doing Melina's Scrap Buster Challenge. So I thought I'd get on here, have a go at doing them myself, and so I'll turn the camera on quickly. So you need a piece of card left over, 2 inches wide by 8.5 or 9 inches, however high your junk journal is, and then the pockets are 2.5 by however high you want them, and you score them at 1/4 of an inch on each side. And I think this is where I've been getting in trouble, because I get a bit excited when I'm burnishing and might do that so it doesn't fit properly. So trying very carefully to do it uniformly. More to go. It's quick and easy, these. They're fun to make. I haven't embellished any of mine. I haven't decorated them because I'm just going to put these in my stash and use them as I need them. Actually, just add a bit of a salt. Oh, we could almost do this along the top of them. Put a little top. Okay. Scoot that out the way. So what you've got to remember to do with these is glue this bottom part of the pocket. Because if you forget, you can't go back and do it. Not once you've got all your pockets on. How to get glue all over your mat. You don't have to have them as long as this. I just wasn't thinking. I should have cut this one down a bit. I've done it again. Oh, this will cover it up, hopefully. This is a short pocket. There we go. So you would put that on your page, glue it at the top, decorate these. You can decorate these pockets, put your ephemera in, and yeah, how's that? That's pretty. I like that with those scissors. This is just a pack of different design scissors. The one I threw on the floor. Yeah, so there you go. Nice quick video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you next time. Okay, take care. Bye.